Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DoorDash app keeps showing the message, something went wrong, it can instantly stop you from placing orders, checking out, or even browsing properly. This error usually appears without much explanation, which makes it even more frustrating because you don't know what exactly is causing it. In most cases, it's not a serious problem. It can be related to temporary app glitches, network issues, outdated versions, etc. that happening in the background. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact actions you need to take to remove this error and get your DoorDash app working smoothly again without interruptions. Try these. 1. Check your internet connection and switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. 2. Close the DoorDash app completely and reopen it to refresh the system. 3. Clear the app cache from your phone settings to remove temporary glitches. 4. Update the DoorDash app to the latest version from your App Store. 5. Log out of your account and log back in to refresh account data. 6. Restart your phone to reset background processes affecting the app.